It's about to get lit. DJ Mpulo, only on DJ Mpulo.
Go tloga go di-movie big screen go ya televisioneng ke bolela ka Gemini Man ewa e thomelego ka yona beke ye fetilego mo go sea le matlo sa patelwa DSTV naledi ya di-movie Will Smith go tlhalositše sephiri sa gore ba kgonne bjang go modira a be le mengwaga e mennyane 23 masomepedi-tharo ge a tlhalosa o boletše a re
It was really cool for me doing this. The team at Weta was pulling all of the old footage, right? So I got to see all of the tragedies that I committed in entertainment. The 20s sucked, so I'm not going anywhere near my 20s.
gomme ge a tšwela pele a utula diphiri
I would take this, and it's a mold of my face, and then Judy would take this black marker and go through and touch all the dots, and the dots are tracking dots. So then when I move, they would have the actual mathematical spacing of the move, so the computer would be able to regenerate my face and my expressions through the avatar.
You are obviously not the best.
DJ Mpulo.
Red carpet.